Hello to all of you, welcome to the Happy Fawn channel. Today, let's explore together how to harvest and make honey. To harvest honey in the forest, it's not that simple. This man had to climb a very tall tree. Before taking the hive, he had to use smoke. Let the bees fly away. He finally got the honey. They look so delicious. To get the honey, you have to use smoke first to get rid of the bees. In this way, he's harvested a very large beehive. He cut the honey-free part to bake. The rest he squeezed for honey. Oh, these are the hives on the cliffs. It's very big and a lot of honey. Here's how he harvested honey at home. A lot of honey. Here's how to get homegrown honey. First, they smeared the bee trays in rose barrel, and then wipe off the outer membrane. Then they put it in a box. To spin, let the honey flow out. This is how it's produced by hand. After the honey is made, they bottle it and sell it. And this is how they honey harvesting and honey production in large facilities or in a manufacturing plant. Honey is harvested in large quantities and put it in a honey extractor. Then put it in the factory. The guns are automatically and professionally. From opening bottles to closing boxes. from opening bottles to closing boxes. The honey bottles after being canned. It will be sold to the market. Do you often eat honey? Have you ever been to a honey factory? Please let me know. Thanks everyone for watching my video. Please like and share the video if you find it interesting.